So I'm just sat here eating my lunch, and I watched Mouse sneak over there, excuse my washing, and she's watching the little birds. Yeah, they've gone. Sorry. Nothing to do with me. Are you trying to be their friend? Yeah? Friends don't spy on other friends, Mouse. That's creepy.